Kicks hit the ground like a drum in the air. Wind bites my face, but I'm not scared. Signs I can't read, but they're calling my name. Every turn feels like a spark in a flame. Colors explode where the sidewalks bend. Strangers with eyes that could turn into friends. Buildings that hum with the tune I don't know. Pulling me faster, I'm ready to go. Every breath is gasoline, feeding the fire under my skin. I'm leaping into places I've never been. Let the ground disappear and the noise rush in. No map, no chain, just the thrill in my chest. This is the way that I feel my best. Steps on the edge where the skyline breaks. Laughing out loud at the moves I make. Echoes of life in 1,000 shades. Each one a chance that I won't trade. Every beat is lightning now. I'm not slowing down anyhow. I'm diving through the streets I've never known. Let the air spin me around, let my spirit grow. No fear, no frame, just the rush through my veins. This is the way I break all my chains. Oh, every mile is a dare. Every shadow hides something rare. I'll chase the sound, I'll taste the air. I'm already there. I'm already I'm jumping into skies I've never touched. Let the noise turn to music I can trust. No script, no cage, just a world wide open. This is the way my heart stays broken. Open I'm racing into sights I've never seen. Let the colors spill out and paint my dream. No lock, no wall, just the thrill in my chest. This is the way that I live my best. Walls remember every step that I took. Shadows follow, though I'm learning to look. Every scar is just a quiet refrain. Carved in silence, still it whispers my name. Faded letters that I never could send carry weight that only Now they guide me, though the path is unclear. Every stumble only brings me here. And if the weight should slow me down, I'll turn the silence into sound. I'll keep on rising with an open heart, even when the pieces fall apart. No wall of yesterday can block the way. I'm finding softer strength in what I say. Not a straight line, but it still goes on. Every fragile step becomes the song. What I carry doesn't chain me tight. It only proves that I'm still alive. I'll keep on moving with an open heart, even when the daylight falls apart. No Chairs left a little askew on the lawn, laughter still humming where the footprints are gone. A ribbon caught on a branch like a secret, the way you turned like you already knew it. The table was scattered with half-finished wine. A breeze moved slow like it was keeping time. You brushed a crumb from your sleeve, still smiling, and I memorized the sky quietly shining. Did you feel it too, how the world leaned in, how silence held more than the violence? We were caught in that kind of light, where joy doesn't need to be loud. Every color felt just right, as if the clouds had stepped aside somehow. And though it's gone, it never quite leaves. It lingers like the warmth on your sleeve. Oh, I found a petal tucked into my coat, a moment that stayed while the hours flowed. No vows, no speeches, just glances and hush, like the whole day was built on a gentle rush. You tilted your head like a question honest, but I understood some things never need masks. We were held in that kind of light, where the quiet said more than the cheers. Every breath felt deep and wide, and time folded in like it's done for years. Even now I still can't believe some days are meant just to be received. No frames could capture what drifted there, but I keep it between heartbeats and air. Not to relive it, but just to recall that once we had it all. We belonged in that kind of light, not a moment, but something that stays, even after it says goodnight. It echoes in unspoken ways. I don't need to chase or retreat. Some joys are just meant to breathe. Yes, we danced in that kind of light, where nothing was forced, yet all was full. And though the echoes slip out of sight, they're stitched in the seams of the beautiful. And if I could choose where I'd be, I'd still be right there, quietly. Dust hangs low where my name used to ring. Time curled in corners I tried to ignore. I traced old voices that didn't sing, just the hush of dreams left on the floor. Staring at reflections that won't stay still. The silence speaks in riddles I can't decode. Try to fill the cracks with bitter will, but every scar I carry still shows me the road. I held my breath at the edge of the tide, felt something real I couldn't define. It breaks, it fades, but never dies like the shimmer caught in shattered skies. I bleed, I climb, and still I try to chase the truth I can't deny. Old regrets hang like smoke in the air. I whisper to the past, but it won't speak back. Each choice a thread too frayed to repair, but I stitch what's left and refuse to crack. I lost my name in the static